Hello, my name is Sebastian. Welcome back to the channel. We're still in the Ledger series, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This ledger here is brand new and it's sealed, but there are things to look out for, and we're going to be overly cautious as opposed to taking any risks. Just a quick reminder, always get the links that you need for your wallets directly from Twitter. So as an example, this is twitter.com/ledger. If you click on this link here, it will take us to Ledger. Make sure the number of followers is high at over 500,000. If you're currently using the Phantom Wallet, make sure you're following them on Twitter as well. This is their wallet here. This is very important because I have seen many fake links pretending to be Phantom in the past, and it probably is still happening today. And as mentioned, I'm using Avana Wallet, so make sure you're following them on Twitter as well. But now let's go and do an unboxing. Okay, so we have the Ledger Nano S here and the Ledger Nano X. Both of these are brand new and sealed. However, as you can see, it's now a Ledger Nano S Plus. So this model has been superseded. And as I mentioned in the previous tutorial, I do prefer the Ledger Nano X. If you can only afford the Nano S and you don't need Bluetooth, that's fine as well. So here we have it, Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X. If you're a quick learner, use the timestamps to skip this part, but I want to make sure this is very thorough, so this can bring in all your friends, all your family members, all your colleagues, etc. And if you're brighter than the average person, by all means, put it on 1.5 speed. Just make sure you follow everything. Here you can see there's cling wrap on all four sides, meaning that these are sealed and they are brand new. However, it is possible to open this and then do some dodgy stuff and then seal it perfectly. But let's just open it up, shall we? Removing the cling wrap. We'll just start with the Nano X for now. Slide this off, open the box. This is our ledger. As you can see, it has cling wrap over the actual device, and then under here we've got some stuff. Hello, getting started. A USB-C cable, and this little part can be thread onto the ledger, just through this little wee hole here. And now it's got a part for a key ring. Now most of the time, you're definitely not going to keep this on you. You'll keep it somewhere hidden, somewhere safe, which we'll cover in another video. But you can put a tag on this right here, and you can label it, such as 401k if it's your retirement, or your personal stuff, or your wife's stuff, etc. That all looks good so far. And let's have a look in the Getting Started guide. We have a recovery sheet. Just flip this over, and this will store our 24 words. As you can see, we've got 3 of these, and we will actually use every single one. And then we have a Getting Started guide, which talks you through the basic actions, which I'm of course covering now. And here you've got your normal terms and conditions, and you've got 2 ledger stickers. So that's everything in the Ledger Nano X. Now we've got the Ledger Nano S, or more likely in your case, the Ledger Nano S Plus. Okay, so go ahead and remove the cling wrap, and this box opens a little bit differently. As per normal, here's the ledger. As you can see, it's lighter, and this one has a smaller screen. If you're buying the Ledger Nano S Plus, however, it will have the same size screen as the previous Ledger Nano X. And down here, this has a micro USB connector. But with the new one, they both have USB-C. Remove some foam, and then we've got the Ledger Nano S welcome pack. Here's the cable with micro USB, a lanyard on a clip, a keyring, and the same thing we had before with the Ledger Nano X. Then we've got the welcome pack. Here they've got a little note regarding anti-tampering. And in the next video, when we actually connect our device, we'll go through this step. But basically, there's no sticker on the box saying that it hasn't been opened. Instead, they rely on software to check it. We're looking after our crypto assets, so we're going to be thorough with every single step. Then we've got Getting Started, very easy. And just like the Ledger Nano X, we've got 3 recovery sheets. And of course, we're going to use them all. So now we've unboxed these little ledgers. We're pretty damn sure that they are all legitimate. We've ordered them from Ledger, we haven't seen anything out of place, and in the next video we're going to connect them to our software, and we're going to make sure they are legitimate. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!